Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and as you can tell by the title of the video and by this right here, I've officially started a new WeCreat users group. You guys have been so great with your comments and questions, and instead of just personally message me, I figured I would create an entire user group that we can have a giant discussion on, so you can have all of the questions answered in a public forum here. And then, since I have a pre-released machine here, I've been posting a lot of my videos on here as well, so if you want to check out the videos. If you haven't seen all the videos I posted so far, it's just Fresh Start Customs on YouTube. I would appreciate it if you hit subscribe and follow along. I've got these 4 videos here so far about the WeCreat. If you're into the Glowforge, I've got all sorts of videos on Glowforges as well and laser related items. So follow along and learn a lot from the channel about how to create laser designs as well. But with all that said, if you're not part of this group yet, which you probably aren't because I just created it, go ahead and look for my name. It's Josh Wenning, or you can look for Fresh Start Customs, and we're both admins in the group. And we'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions, share some videos with you if you have questions on it in a more public form here. And I can't wait to build a real strong community behind this machine since we did it successfully with the Glowforge here. So other than that, I just wanted to throw out a helping hand. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do that and follow us along the way too. We're going to be posting a lot more on this machine. I've already got a couple pre-recorded videos that I need to edit and post as well. So keep an eye out on that. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy all my videos. I hope you follow along, and I hope you enjoy this new machine once you get it here. We'll catch you guys in the next one.